What up? Clear, clear, clear. All right, today we are rebuilding Matt's account. He's low on T4. We just did a rebuild recently. He took 8 rallies. Um, and I had to rebuild it then, but since then a lot has happened. We merged with 3v3 and so we've been killing a lot of troops, so we're here to rebuild it. Music. Too loud. Let me see. And he bought a bunch of speed ups. 437, 3 days. We'll see how far that gets us. I think he wants 3.5 each. What are we working with right now? 1.6, 2, 1.3. What up, Syed? You're finally here. You finally made it. Uh, Alright. I think. Let me see. Engineer. Let's see. You were there last stream too? Yeah, I know. I know. Welcome back. Not much here either. I decorated my house today on the outside for fall/Halloween. So we're gonna... Actually, I didn't put the Halloween stuff up yet. Just the fall stuff. Halloween stuff goes up. Hi, Zeke. I just asked for cheap, but this guy just assigned it to himself. I wonder if I'm even... Can I get a 3-day? Does it go up to 3 days? Do I need to build a barracks? Let's see. This one, yeah. Yeah. No. Shit. I needed a second one. Let me do that real quick. Any Halloween costume? No, I won't buy one unless I have plans. Right now I don't have any Halloween plans, so let me just gem it. Just gem it. Someone spamming helps for them. What level is this? 21, 22, 23. Come on. 24, 20. 25. Where's the thing? Okay. Now we can get it to 3 days. Yeah. And training speed. All right, let's spam some troops. $15K. $15K a pop. Okay, we're at 1.4. Let's get up to 3.5 if we can do it with the resources that I have right now. So this is going to be a short stream, purely troop spamming, because for whatever reason, you guys already know, people love watching the rebuild. They love watching troops being spammed. I don't know if his speed ups will get us 3.5 each. He's pretty low. I did everything right. Speed boost, chief. Oh, I'm in construction. Let's change that. I was like, why does it feel a little slow? Okay. Went up by 40%. Just a little bit. 1K more. We watching because we have nothing to do. Pretty girl doing it, why not? Is that why? Is that why everyone loves watching me spam troops? Is that the secret? Yeah, so anyway, a lot has happened this week. We merged with 3v3. So that's the guild that we're playing in now. Matt is set to return to his account in 2 weeks. And it's been so nice. Like sometimes we even split down to 50K. On one hand, it's so nice. On the other, my kills are definitely less because we're splitting so low. You know, on Matt's account, I was joining 200-300 every time in DP. But now we're in a guild. They had barely any Americans in this guild, and our guild was heavy American. So now we basically cover 24/7. We can have people online 24/7. So it's gonna be a nerdy ass guild. Dave, oh my gosh, long time no see. How you doing? Merge is not ideal. No, I was pushing for a merge for so long. I hate being an R4. I'm like, let's just hand over the reins to someone who's already got their shit together. It's too much work. Payday stream. What up, Roger? Payday coming. I didn't buy it yet, but I will buy it after this and get the install going. I'm lazy. I wouldn't say I'm lazy. I just, it was too much. No one was doing anything. I think they were lazy, not me. That was the problem. I can't, I can't work in a group of people that don't put any effort in and half-ass things. I love them, don't get me wrong, but nothing was getting done ever. Anyway, merge is better. Let other people do the work, and we just play the game. Zeke knows. Zeke knows. I told him all the stories.
You're a beautiful audience. Thank you very much.
Hi, George. Thank you for the resub. 14 months. Finally, I've been waiting all day. I know. I'm sorry. We had a little issue. We had a little issue, so game-wise. She was honestly the hardest working one. I will say that. I will agree there. I think I'm normally a humble person, but I was definitely the hardest working one in that group. I will say that. Vale, can you rebuild for me also? Anytime. Anytime. For whatever reason, these videos are always the ones that are big hits on YouTube. Spamming troops. But you gotta get your manners ready first. And get your gems ready and get your resources ready. I'll jump in and do the troop spamming. Alright, we're at 3.5 cav. So, we're good there. Well, my guild wants me to become R4, but well, I don't care about those. Yeah, don't do it, it's a trap. I turn them down every time, good. I'll let you know after I find a sugar daddy or sugar mama. Let's get some siege going. Dave wants some siege. Nah, I think we have enough. I'm not about to pick his pick his might up for no reason. He'll be mad as hell if he comes into 3.5 million siege. But that's a funny comment to make from someone who's never played this game, so props. Props to you, Dave. I went through that cab way too quick. I'm about to like, this is about to be like a 20-minute stream. No, I'm gonna run out of resources and all that good stuff. See, I'm already almost done. I'm like halfway done with the rebuild. 3.5 each. Why are you using bags? Buy banks. $11, 2 billion each. We'll get you, you'll be good for like a month. Yeah, it's gonna be short. It's okay. It's a little some. Showing my face, trying to stay relevant, you know what I'm saying? People keep asking, people keep asking, where's your stream at? So this is for them. Let's see, 254, 3 days left. Maybe I should do 3 million range and then focus on that. Let me just switch to him first. Cause range is sent the least amount of times. So first I want to make sure he has enough for his infinite cav. So let's just switch over. Well, it's free to play, so I'm never gonna buy anything. Then mooch off the pay to play people. I definitely give my leftovers out for free every single migration, and my leftover is always a lot. People intentionally wait for their rebuild till like right before migration because they get a ton of free resources from guildmates. So you could do that. Plan your rebuild around migrations to mooch. I'm abusing my guild bank because I want them to suffer. On one account, I'm completely free to play. On the other, you're semi free to play. You just buy the fun stuff. Doing fork knife after. Okay, before I started this rebuild, I was ranked 29 in the guild for the training troops event. So we'll check it when I'm done here. I wonder if it's like lined up with a hell / solo or / 24 hour. Okay, well the hell. Look at that 55 mil. We're gonna keep going. And this guy. We're gonna keep going. Wait, I didn't get to do this. Shout out the new followers over the past few days. Gustavo, Yuki, Elk, Darkstar, Blood, ISC. Yeah. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for the follows. If you ever see this. How many points you got for the event now? I didn't see the points. I just saw that I was in 29th place. But we'll check. Let's check. Let's check where we're at. Before we're at 70 mil. Pretty damn good. Let's keep going. Do we have sound alerts active? Yeah, I fixed everything. Didn't you hear the crazy sound when G subscribed? Oh, did you guys see my new subscribe animation? I changed everything. I made them much cuter. But yeah, sound alerts always worked. Just the pop-ups didn't. OBS breaks sometimes like that. Let's test it. There it is. It works. Dave, how you been? I haven't seen you in forever. We haven't gamed together in so long. I don't think I've seen you live in a minute either. I've been thinking too much, babe. I just need to clear. I fell off the planet. We gotta get back to gaming. Anytime. Are you back to Earth now? Are you playing anything? Ooh. Ooh. Already. Okay. I've been thinking much lately. I'm back. My brother got me into Civ 6. What's that? I've been good. I've been good, Dave. Yeah. One bill. I'll kill you. I'll kill you, Cheque. Zeke. You're gonna mess up my times. Let's see what I made. Oh, I don't know if it'll show because I switched skills. Mm. Ooh, I made it to third. Let's keep going. We on the sea. Yay. New hell is a training. Yay. It's an easy one. Get those combat coins. You don't have to stay in 3v3 for it to count. I don't know if I trust that. I'm just gonna do it for safe measures. Jump back. Matt, Matt, our guest of honor, the man of the hour, the account that we are rebuilding. What up? I'm getting more food right now. Let's see what's left. We finished your cav, and I think this stream is gonna be a lot shorter than I thought. I trust you, Zeke. I trust you. I just, I know how you are. You don't put, you just take what other people say as truth when it comes to this game. You don't do your own research. I'm just being careful. I just want to make sure the points go to the guild. You take whatever laser says. Oh, you traded GII? Did you do a rebuild too? You should let me do your rebuild. Let's see. Let's see where Zeke's rank is. Number 22. You did 20 mil. I think Matt's gonna get first place. Unless someone pops out overnight. How much time was left? I keep opening it again. In the training one, we have till tomorrow? Or is that midnight tonight? No, midnight tomorrow. Yeah, this one's gonna pop up overnight. How's the comp looking? Let's check it out. So far. Oh, we're about done with the inf too. And then range is last, of course. Range gets no love. Range will get the leftover speed ups. Not bad at all. Yeah, we still have a few left. Bag check. Still got 133 left. I hope they don't remove Chief for a sec. No, you're good, Matt. I think we'll get through it. Thank you, though. I think you should be good. And I'm wasted. This is my first refill, and we already finished the cabinet. All we have left is the range. So I think you'll be alright. No, thank you. Rebuilding is the worst part of the game. Yeah, I don't know. I guess don't so much mind it. You know, it's funny. If you look at my YouTube channel, the only videos I have that have went over 1,000 are my 2 rebuild videos. People just love watching me spam troops. And then my third most viewed was your overview. That that was like 1,000 flat. All right, I think we're good. We're good. Let's hop back. Spam packs. I'm not gonna do all that. Alright. Okay. Infantry's done. Cav is done. Switching back to range. Let's see. We have 131. Spam, spam, spam. We're almost done. Maybe I can buy chests and we can do a chest opening. Yeah, you know, the whole time I played your account, I didn't open any of them except for the combat coin ones. I was like, I'm gonna keep these stacked up over here. Would be cool to open, especially like Astrolite ones. Check your luck. Just spam chest openings. How I have so much self-control. Cause I'm a guest on the account, I treat it as such. I have manners. Okay, range is done. How many do we have left? 90. We have 90. Let's do like one more of each for good measure. Good measure. Okay. Measure is good enough. Let's see where he landed. Oh, did I finish? Yay! Okay. Let's see where Matt placed. Still 3. Huh. Thought you'd go to first. But hey, almost 100 mil, Matt. I think it did. Yeah, I think it was 80 mil when I checked before. We can check again in a minute. Get a rest. And then we're gonna have to switch back to full infirmaries. Gave me love, gave me love, gave me love. This account looks very weak. Oh, come fight it, Roger. My bicep could carry it. Matt's got a hot account. I agree, pretty damn weak. Zeke's army. Oh, and you have stuff left over. Look at that. We did good. I actually rejeweled it to blast this morning. Oh, okay. Let's check it out. Let's check it. Oh yeah, I had so much wrong on his overview when I first did it. It was like one of my first times in his account, and it was my first time in a Fort account in general. I did everything wrong. You did well. Thanks, Matt. I've learned. I've learned to love 659, I'll tell you that much. 659 does pretty damn well. It's like a fair, universal defense comp. So pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, let's see if it updated. Or changed. It was 94 mil. 95. I think that's probably your final. Third place. Unless someone does it overnight. Let me just... Okay. Oh my gosh. It's like a 15-minute 15-minute rebuild. Not bad. Thanks for helping rebuild the account. I appreciate it. Anytime, Matt. Anytime. Let me get one going. We won't speed it up. Damn, they already removed it, huh? No. Why did it take longer? Oh, I'm out of gear. Duh. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I had for you guys. 35 minutes stream. Short and sweet. Short and sweet. I don't know, we could just chill. There's Roger. Let's see his noodle account. Look at it's so cute. He's in food gathering gear. Food/gathering. 17 blessed. Not bad. How's your guild doing, Roger? Who's still there? Craig. I don't know anyone. Is Aris still there? Oh, Ricky. And it's
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks.
Does Aris still play? AT. Oh. Looks like he doesn't. Time for a change, it sounds like. Sounds like you need a change, Roger. Explore a little. You've been in the same guild for forever. I'm curious if his thing changed. Was 95 final? 95 looks final. I can't move this. I'll collect them all on my phone. Yeah, so I think that's it. I think we're done, guys. We rebuilt. It was short and it was sweet. Because Matt planned it, not me. When I plan it, everything goes wrong. I always underestimate how much resources I'll need. I always run out of speed ups and have to like buy some more or gem the rest. So yeah. Good planning, Matt. Good planning, and you still have some left over for a rainy day. Alright. But I'm gonna hop off. Thank you guys for hanging with me. Thanks, Nori. We'll need those resources and speeds to rebuild infirmaries. Yeah, you still had some left too in the bank. You still had a bunch left. But yeah, I'll hop off and then Zeke will help with the infirmary rebuild. Just bought it. I don't mind spamming troops, but I am not about that life. Building full manors and full infirmaries. I'm gonna go to bed. No payday with you tonight, silly American. I'll buy it right after this and I'll download it so that we can play right away next time. Roger. Alright, good night guys. Thanks for hanging out. See y'all later.